So, let's see, this side here should come off clean there. But this side here, we're going to have to cut off. We have to cut that off, I think.
You don't think we can wiggle out and around?
I don't think so. We might be able to come up, but I don't. Let's see. You go through there, through in here.
It just keeps going.
Let's keep going.
Oh.
Well, we can try.
Well, I don't know. It's gonna be.
So anyway, what you gotta do is you gotta try and clean them out a little bit because they got some varnish and I don't think they're too bad. If they don't come out, then I can take a drill and drill the head off. But so it's a question of, get in there, driving it in, and taking it out. Okay.
This time we'll label our.
Yeah, I got all those little Sucrets things in there, so you can put different screws, but they should all be the same all the way along here. Pull that off and unwire it. So that panel's got to come out, then we can pull the glass out, and then we can get a new. I can buy the new slide trays.
Okay.
And we'll just bond that right in there. Can clean all that up and. But, pretty nice ceiling boards up there. Some wearing. Could be camouflage. But there's some nasty patches up there.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be something.
Fairly square. I mean, you can start laying that siding glass there. You know, some really nice stuff, flooring.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is self-absorption of the That was the theory.
Yeah. Well.
So, yeah, the cabin is this whole steel, this whole thing off. It's gonna leak, but.